Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to see routing number on the Navy Federal app. To find your Navy Federal routing number, you need to follow these steps. Navy Federal Credit Union's website. The Navy Federal Credit Union mobile app. Your checking account's check. The routing number is always the first set of numbers at the bottom left-hand corner of your checks. The second set of numbers is your account number, and the final set of numbers is the check number. Remember that the routing number is used for various financial transactions, such as setting up direct deposits, wire transfers, and electronic payments. Make sure you have the correct routing number for the specific type of transactions you are performing. Call the Navy Federal's customer service line at 888-842-6328. Assistance is available 24/7. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.